Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to change the angle or orientation of the text in an Excel cell. This is helpful if you have a lot of data and maybe some long headers and you're just trying to get it to look a little bit more organized. You can go ahead and adjust the header or other cells to show as an angle rather than just horizontally like I have set up right here. And it's very simple to do. I'll just go through and show you some of the different ways that you can go about doing it. First thing you want to do is make sure you're on the Home tab in Excel. And then under the alignment section here, you'll see this orientation button. So you just want to click on that and it will give you some different options of how you can orient the cell. So let's say we want to angle it counterclockwise, which means your word is going to start at the bottom left of the cell and go upwards. It will go ahead, you click that, and it will give you kind of that angle. So if you're wanting to make it a little bit more, your column a little bit more narrow, you can go ahead and do that. Again, you can look at doing counterclockwise, so it would do the opposite way. Or you can go ahead and click that orientation button again and do it vertically so that your word goes straight up and down. This is kind of nice, again, if your columns are very narrow. So like you can do that for product and discount there, and it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of nice. And then there's the other option to go rotate text up, which would be the beginning of your word starts at the bottom and then rotates up. And the opposite of that would be rotate text down, where your word starts at the top of the cell and rotates downwards. Something else that you can do is you can just go ahead and click on the orientation button and then click on Format Cell Alignment, and it will take you to the Format Cell text box, and you can go ahead and you can click on Oriented vertically, or you can just go ahead and manually choose what degree you want to do it. So maybe you don't want to do it too much, you can just do 15 degrees. And your cogs will go ahead and do that. See, it's looking a little bit funny right now, so we'd have to go and fix that, make it a little bit more, maybe 80 degrees, and you'll see you'll get that custom angle. So that that Format Cell Alignment button will allow you to change based on your wants and needs. It's definitely a little bit more customizable. You can go ahead and wrap your text as you can do on the home ribbon, or shrink your text to fit, and so we'll just make sure that your text would fit within that Excel. So again, very helpful if you're trying to create headers that are either a little bit more appealing, or if you're trying to get your text to actually fit in those headers and you want to create an angle there. So again, very simple, very easy to do, just on your home ribbon. Please let me know if you have any additional questions about cell orientation. Please drop me a note if you do, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy.